Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads using Pabbly Chatflow. So I am an owner of a digital marketing agency and I'm promoting my services with the help of Facebook lead ads. So basically, I'm running an ad campaign on my Facebook page to capture the leads. And I want that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead for my business through Facebook lead ads, automatically a personalized WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead. To automate this entire process, I'm not going to use any coding and programming skills, but I will be simply connecting my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Chatflow, that is an amazing WhatsApp automation tool. And for building this connection, I am going to use Pabbly Connect, that is an amazing automation and integration tool, and I am going to create this amazing automation effortlessly. For your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to send WhatsApp message automatically to Facebook leads. So here I am an owner of a digital marketing agency and I'm running an ad campaign on my Facebook page to promote my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. My objective is that every time I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead in personalized format. To automate this entire process, I'm not going to use any coding and programming skills, but I am going to use an amazing WhatsApp automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow. Also, to build the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Chatflow so that I can send automated WhatsApp messages to all my Facebook leads, I am using Pabbly Connect, that is an amazing automation and integration software. So without any further wait, let's start learning this amazing automation for our businesses step by step. To start with the process, first of all, we need to type pabbly.com/connect in our browser in a new tab, which is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Over here, we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on that sign up for free button. It is going to help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, and to send the WhatsApp message automatically with the help of template, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So I'm going to currently click on, so first of all, I will click on access now on Pabbly Connect. And here also I'm going to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. So we can access all our accounts from here. Okay. Now it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. We have all the workflows that we have created over here. We can see all the workflows over here. And to save the workflows, we can also create separate folders on the same dashboard like this. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. Here a dialog box is appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So let me quickly provide a name over here. Send WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads using Pabbly Chatflow. After giving the name to my workflow, now I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save it. So you can see I have a list of folders over here. Among these folders, the automation which I'm going to create is related to AI. So I'm going to select AI automations and now I'm going to click on create. The workflow is created successfully and now we are going to go towards a new screen. The new screen contains a blank workflow which we need to fill up in order to completely set up this automation. Here we have trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose here my objective is that through Facebook lead ads, as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead for my digital marketing agency, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. For that, here I'm going to take Facebook lead ads and trigger and Pabbly Chatflow as my action application. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, so we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when a new lead is received through Facebook lead ads, then only a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, now let us start creating this amazing automation step by step for our business. To start with the process, first of all, we need to go towards our trigger step and here we have to select our trigger application. So our trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. Let's select that. Then we have to select the trigger event. So on the happening of which specific event inside Facebook lead ads, you want to capture the response and start your automation. Here we have 3 options, but I want that as soon as a new lead is received through Facebook lead ads, instantly a WhatsApp message should be sent. So here I'm going to select new lead instant. Okay. So whenever the lead will be received, instantly the response of that lead is going to be captured inside Pabbly Connect and my automation is going to start. Now we are going to build the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Before that, you can see that I am already logged into my Facebook account. This is my Facebook page on which I am running my ad campaign. The name of my Facebook page is Digital Dynamics. Okay, so here I'm going to click on connect. You also have to keep in mind to keep login to all the applications before building the connection with Pabbly Connect, because then the process of your connection is going to become simple and easier. As we have 2 options over here, add new connection and select existing connection. In case if you already have an existing connection with Facebook lead ads, quickly you can go with that. To create a new connection, just click on add new connection and we have to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to continue with my same account. And you can see my authorization has become successful very easily and the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is built. Now we have to select the Facebook page name on which we are running our ad campaign, and we want that when the lead will be received through that ad campaign, we want to capture the response. So the name of my Facebook page is Digital Dynamics. I'm going to select that same over here from the drop down. In a similar manner, you need to select your page name. And then you have to select the lead gen form, that by using which lead gen form you want to capture the response. So this is the form with the name as new form that I've recently created for collecting the leads, and it is attached with my Facebook lead ads campaign. Now we need to click on the simple response button and then we have to click on save and send test request button. It is showing waiting for webhook response. A test response is already received over here. Now we are going to capture the response of a lead. So how we will do that? For that, I'm going to take you towards Meta for Developers. It is already connected with my Facebook account. I'm logged in. And here we are going to go towards Resources and Developer Tools. This is Developer Tools. When we'll scroll down here, we can see the option of Lead Ads RTO Debug Tool. We have to select that. And now with the help of this lead ads testing tool, we are going to test our integration, whether the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is built successfully or not. Currently, as I'm not running any live campaign on my Facebook page, I cannot send the response of a real or actual lead towards Pabbly Connect. Therefore, I'm testing my integration with the help of this lead ads testing tool. So quickly, I'm going to select my page. And here I'm going to select my form. And because this is the test submission we are doing, it is saying you can create 1 lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So I'm going to quickly delete an existing lead. First of all, by clicking on this delete lead button. As the lead is deleted, now we are going to refresh the screen once. And once again, we will select our page and the form. And now we can click on create lead. As we have done that, the lead is sent towards Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you back towards my Pabbly Connect account. And here we are waiting for the response. Let's wait for a few seconds. And the response is received over here. So we have received a test response with all the test details. Here we have a test email address, a test name, a test first name. Then we have received that dummy interest, that best time to contact, and dummy company name. Because I have done a test submission, so I have received dummy response over here. But in your case, when you will be running a live campaign, do not worry. As soon as a lead will be submitting your lead gen form with the details, such as the name, email, phone number, or whatever detail which you have asked in the form, the actual response is going to be received in your Pabbly Connect account. Alright, now let's move forward. Here, I want to send a WhatsApp message to my lead. So I'm going to show you the entire process, that how you can send the WhatsApp message in personalized form. So here for that, I'm going to use an amazing WhatsApp automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow. I will simply go towards my action step and we will select our action application as Pabbly Chatflow. Then we have to select the action event. So I want to send a WhatsApp message with the help of a template. So I'm going to select send template message over here. Now let's click on connect. To build the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this add new connection button. You require a token. To get this token, just go towards the dashboard of your Pabbly Chatflow account. From the left side, here we have the option of settings, and here we have API and webhooks. Here is our API token. You just have to copy it. You will go back towards Pabbly Connect and you need to paste the same token over here. Because I've already built an existing connection with my Pabbly Chatflow account, so currently I'm going to go with that. And here now we have to provide the recipient mobile number, the template name, and other details. So one by one, let's start entering the details. Now, after the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect is built, let's move forward. First of all, we need to provide the mobile number of the person to whom we want to send this message. So here, in our earlier response, we have already received all the details of the lead, their name, their email address, phone number, and everything. Instead of entering the data manually, we will be simply mapping the details over here. So you can see we have all the details given. When we are going to search for the phone number, here you can see that we have received a test phone number over here. You need to simply insert the data like this from the previous step, the phone number value, and it is going to be mapped. When we have mapped this value, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to be replaced. So every time we are going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, the details which we have mapped over here will get replaced with the new details of that new lead. And in this way only, we are going to automate the entire process of sending WhatsApp messages to all our Facebook lead ads in personalized format. Because if we will enter the data manually over here, it will become static and then it is not going to replace. For example, instead of mapping, if I will enter the phone number over here of the lead manually by typing or by copy and pasting, then as soon as we are going to receive a new Facebook lead, that number is not going to replace. It will be same as it will become static. So then we will not be able to send a message to all our Facebook leads. Okay. Now, as this is a dummy phone number, in order to send a real message, I am going to enter a real phone number over here quickly. It is saying in the instructions that enter the recipient's WhatsApp mobile number with the country code but without the plus sign. So I'm going to enter the country code and I will enter the phone number. Okay, now let's move forward. Here we have to select the template name by using which we want to send the message. Now we are using templates to send customized messages that I'm going to explain you by taking you towards my Pabbly Chatflow account. We will go towards the template section over here. Now, before moving forward, here I have to tell you that if you want to learn the entire process of creating and setting up your Pabbly Chatflow account and adding your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow, for that we have already created the videos that are uploaded on our YouTube channel. And also I'm going to attach the link of the videos in the description of my video. Okay, so you can just go and learn the entire process. Now, apart from sending messages, we have amazing other features of Pabbly Chatflow that are given in the left side. We have inbox feature, we have contact section, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, and much more. So we have created separate detailed tutorial videos for each of these features of Pabbly Chatflow that are uploaded on our YouTube channel. If you want to learn about any of the feature in detail, just go and watch the video from our channel. Now we'll go back towards the template section. We'll go towards template list, and here you can see we have multiple templates that I've created for different purposes of my business. Now, this is the template which I have created for sending WhatsApp message for new Facebook leads. That is already approved. So I am going to use this template and I'm going to connect this template with Pabbly Connect in order to send the messages automatically to all my Facebook leads. Before that, let me show you that how you can create a template by your own. For that, just click on this Add New Template button. Here we have the template section open in front of us. First of all, you will select the category of the template that you're creating, whether it is marketing or utility. Then you will select the template name and make sure that the name you are entering over here should not be in capital letters and should not contain unnecessary space. It should be in this format. Then you have to select the language which you want to use to send your messages, the template type, whether it is a text message, an image or video or document. Then you have to provide the header which you want to send in the message, actual content, the template footer, and then all the interactive actions which you want to use. Okay. Then you will click on submit. If you are using any variable in your template to make the data dynamic, you also have to provide a sample value for each of the variable. Now I'm going to show you my template that I've created. So this is the template that I have created, and this is how the message which I'm going to send to each of my lead is going to look. Thanks for reaching out to Digital Dynamics. Hi, and here I have used a first variable in order to make the name of each of the lead dynamic and variable. Thanks for showing interest in our services at Digital Dynamics. We notice you are interested in this particular service. Again, I've used a variable, and the third variable is for the time to be connected. And these are the details which I've already collected from my leads. Now, as I've used these variables, every time a new lead will be received from Facebook lead ads, automatically according to the details of that lead, these details such as the name, the best time to connect, and the service will get replaced according to new response. And in this way, I will be able to automate the entire process of sending template message in personalized format to each of my Facebook lead. Now, once you will complete your template, it will be then sent for the approval towards Meta. As the template will be approved, then you will be able to use that same template in order to send the messages, okay, to your leads or your customers. Now here we are going to select the template name. First of all, let me refresh the fields. So now I have selected my template name. We will move forward towards header type, that is going to be text. Now we need to move forward towards the header parameters. If you have used any parameter in your header, you can enter that. We have media URL, file name. If you are attaching any media or file along with a message, you can provide the URL and the name. You can also provide the offer code if you want to send it along with a message. Then we have URL variables, name and other details. Now here I'm going to map the name of the contact that we have received, the first name, and with a space I'm going to map the last name as well. And because this is a dummy response, I have just shown you how to map the data, but I'm going to enter it manually currently. Let's say dummy user. Okay, let's move forward. Here we have incoming blog tags to remove. All these fields are not mandatory, so I'm going to ignore this field. I'm going to directly map the name over here, but because I have received a dummy name, so instead of mapping it, I'm going to enter it manually currently. But you need to map the data in your workflow. All right, now let's click on save and send test request button. The message is sent. As we have received the response, it is saying messages sent on the number which we have entered. So I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp to check whether the message is received on this number or not. And yes, here from Digital Dynamics, we have received the message. So this means our connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Chatflow is built successfully. And now every time a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads for my digital marketing agency, automatically a WhatsApp message in the personalized format is going to be sent to that same lead without any manual efforts. Also, here I have just taken the example of a digital marketing agency, but for any of the business, you can create this amazing automation and automate the entire process of WhatsApp messaging to all your Facebook leads. This will help you to engage your leads, nurture them, and also with this, you can send follow-up messages. So then you will be able to convert the leads into payable customers. I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this automation, but you can create multiple such amazing automations for your business with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your queries, you can ask at forum.pabbly.com. And for any of your pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. If the video was helpful for you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.